Hello everyone, Pinder Productions here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the 2017 Fire HD10 tablet. But first, let's have a look at what comes in the box with this tablet. It comes in an orange wedge-shaped box with the tablet, of course, in a plastic film on this cardboard black tray, and in the bottom of the black tray you get a wall plug. This is the UK wall plug because that's where I am. A micro USB charging cable to full-size USB to plug into the adapter, and you also get a warranty information booklet, this white one, and the black one, which is a quick start guide. And in the quick start guide it contains information about the ports, which are a front and rear facing camera, a lock button and unlock button, micro USB port, microphone, headphone jack, up and down volume buttons, as well as a micro SD card slot for up to 256 gigabytes of expansion for apps, movies, music, and all sorts of other data. I also have this Moco case to protect the device. It has cutouts for all of the ports as well as the camera, so that's very good, and an auto unlock feature using magnets, so you can unlock the device without having to press the lock button, as well as a stand that folds out, which is very useful for the hands-free Alexa feature that the tablet has. Alexa, what can you do?
You can tell me to turn up the volume, play music, create a to-do list, or look up a topic on Wikipedia. To find out more, check out the Things to Try page in the Alexa app.
Alexa, what's the weather like in Berlin?
In Berlin, Germany, it's 2 degrees with showers and mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect showers, with a low of 2 degrees.
However, being an Amazon tablet, out of the box you are limited to the Amazon App Store instead of Google Play. However, you can install Google Play by sideloading it, and I have made a tutorial on how to do this, so if you are curious on how to install apps that aren't available from Amazon, such as Discord, Snapchat, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or any other Google app, you can install the Google Play Store and you can install those apps from there. And speaking of installing apps, of the 32 gigabytes this device comes with, you can only use 26.56 gigabytes of that total space, so it's not very much. However, with up to 256 gigabytes of expandable storage via a micro SD card, you can insert a micro SD card and pretty much install most of the media. Some apps won't be able to install onto the SD card, and only some of the apps that can install onto there will be able to install, so there will still be some app on the internal storage. Performance on this tablet is good. It has a 1.8 GHz quad-core processor and 2 GB of RAM and up to 10 hours battery life, which has lasted me about half a week so far. It's only about a week old, this tablet, but it's very quick and snappy. Apps open quickly and web browsing is fluid, works very nicely, and the web pages load quickly. It's not the fastest device in the world, I'll admit that, but it is plenty quick enough to do web browsing and some light gaming, such as here in the Fruit Ninja app, which I'll be honest isn't the most demanding game, but it is a good example of how the tablet runs in graphical rendering and gaming in general. Obviously the tablet is very smooth in its performance of this game. It's not the most demanding game, but it does work well in other games such as Minecraft Pocket Edition. However, these tablets are mainly designed for media consumption from Amazon services, and while I can't really demonstrate the full capacity of the tablet's 1080p screen, I can show you a little bit of what it is like, and it is very good. I can say the colours look nice, and it was a very pleasant viewing experience, and the speakers also sound good, as I will now demonstrate with one of my YouTube videos. Hello everyone, Pinder Productions here, and it is quite hard to demonstrate the potential of speakers on YouTube videos, but they are very good and they sound nice, sound crisp and clear, so I do recommend this tablet for media consumption. And one final thing that I would like to point out is that you are able to use a micro USB adapter to plug in full-size USB devices, such as a USB flash drive to view files stored on it, or you can use a dongle for a wireless keyboard to use with this device to type on, or to use the mouse for that. But this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it was useful for anybody who is looking to buy one of these Fire HD10 tablets, or pretty much any Fire tablet. So now on to the matter of price. One of these tablets will cost £150 for the 32GB model, which compared to the similarly spec'd iPad, also with 32GB Wi-Fi only, is £340, so £190 more expensive, which is a rip-off if you consider that this tablet will do pretty much everything the same, except it will not allow you to access the Apple ecosystem, so your iTunes library, for example, and any movies you've bought there. So if you haven't got an iTunes library, then I do recommend that you buy one of these over something such as an iPad, because of the cheaper price, and it's not any worse in quality. It's still very high quality and will last you. If you are interested in buying one of these tablets, I have got an Amazon affiliate link in the description below to where you can buy one of these on the Amazon site, as well as the case that I have been using. So if you are interested in either of those, you can go into the description and follow the link to get one of these if you are interested. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Bye.